Good morning, everyone. Today's power tool day. So I'm going to start with the blender because that's my morning routine. Tell you a little bit about this and then show you how I make my morning smoothie. This is a cooking blender. So it's the Deluxe cooking blender. It does so many things. Like I said, it is a cooking blender, which means it heats up to 220 degrees when it needs to. It has a heating element in it, and that comes on the bottom of this thing so you don't submerge it. But it does have lots of things. It can make smoothies, which I do daily. It can make alternate milk, which I make my almond milk. And when I make my almond milk, I will show that if I haven't already. But you soak 1 cup of almonds in 2 cups of water for 4 hours. Then you put 5 cups of water in here, strain the almonds, put them in here. I put in a teaspoon and a half of, or a teaspoon of agave, and I put in some vanilla. You don't need to put those things in. You can do it however you would like to. And then you set you set the little dial over to almond milk or alternate milk, and you push go, and then it grinds it all up. You strain it in this strainer bag, get it all strained out. What's left in here, I put on the bar pan and bake for at 200 degrees for a long time to let it dry out. And then I put it back in here on grind, and I have almond flour. Almond flour is awesome. Here is some right here. It is just, I use it to bread my chicken before I put it in the air fryer. Use it whatever you use flour for. Anyway, it also makes soups, jams, sauces, heated puree. It can make baby food so easily when you know what's in there, which is so nice. It grinds all kinds of nuts. It can make peanut butter with 1 jar of peanuts. And that's it, absolutely nothing else. If I haven't already shown that, I may be doing that this afternoon. And then it has the heated wash cycle, so when it's all ooey and gooey in there, you put in 3 cups of water, 1 drop of soap, turn it on, heated wash, and it heats up and cleans all that out of there. So it's a great thing. It also, as of March 1st, comes with an adapter. So you can put this adapter on here, and it comes with a cup. The adapter does. And you can buy these cups separately also after you have your adapter, which I will be doing one more. The cup, the bottom can come off. It has holes in the bottom, so you can put fruit in here and wash that all off. I'll leave that off so you can watch this. You can I filled it to this line, which is 1 cup, which is how much I need for my smoothie. I throw in some spinach because I like the color green. I throw in my smoothie packet of vanilla shake from our plan. And then I'm gonna use some grind ice. Not grind ice. I'm gonna use the big cubes because I wanna show you how powerful this thing is. Normally I use grind just because it's fast. I don't know, just because I always have. Okay, maybe too much. I'll take one of those out. I have a whole lot of spinach in there right now. All right, then you spin it onto the thing. Like I said, turn the dial over to smoothie. Okay, it's saying my lid isn't on, which means that I don't have this on properly. Now it's on smoothie, push go. It says 1 minute, it doesn't take 1 minute. Good to me, and that was 20 seconds. The adapter cup grinding that, that's actually louder than it is if you did it in the big blender. And we usually do it in the big blender when I'm making two of them, making one for Roy too. Not usually, I guess, when I'm making one for him. But there it is. Very excited. Comes with a straw and a lid. And away you go. All right. Great seeing you. See you later.